Greetings, the Astro 30 here yet again, and welcome back to AEL. Now, in this short video, I just want to talk about the box that the power transformer for the test amp came in, and in fact, all PowerTran transformer boxes would be the same. Well, the ones that come from Ultronics. I've never actually bothered to read the sides of the box, except for looking at the wiring diagram. So I know which colours of the secondary wires would put the secondary in phase with each other. Because if you wire it out of phase, you'll cancel the voltage and get no output. That's about the only thing I've ever looked for on these boxes, and also what external fuse to use. They really should put a T in front of the one to tell you that it's a slow blow fuse or a time lag fuse. It's either L or T. F is fast, but they don't tell you that part, but that's fine. And yeah, sometimes I've read what the current is in secondary parallel and secondary series, and what voltage the transformer is, just to check that I've got the right voltage. But then I come around to this side of the box, and it says instructions conforming to the IEC 61555-8-2-6:2009. Now, I've read this document prior to filming this video, and we'll notice over here we've got this weird looking symbol. Now, that symbol means short circuit proof safety isolating transformer, inherently or non-inherently. So that conforms to that standard. So it says the transformer will be built in, fixed in the end product, and will not be accessible in the end product. In other words, isolated from the user, so the user can't come into contact with it. The primary wires are blue and brown colour. The secondary wires are white, orange, and red, black colour. Okay. The maximum ambient temperature is 25 degrees Celsius, so room temperature basically. The secondary dual outputs are not allowed in series connection. What? Yes, they are. You can put the secondary dual outputs in series with each other. Because, well, that diagram says as if it was in series. Okay, so that sentence alone makes no sense. And the bottom one here is the equipment to be operated in continuous mode. Continuous mode what? Like continuous voltage, continuous current, continuous as in used all the time. Maybe they mean with that sentence that you can't switch the transformer on and off at a rapid rate. It must be either on or off for periods of time. Longer periods of time rather than just, quick on, off type thing. Maybe that's what they mean. But this sentence here, the secondary dual outputs are not allowed in series connection. In fact, these two sentences, nowhere in this standard does it even mention that. So that's what confused me when I was reading this box last night when I was bored. What the hell do they even mean? See sides of the box for the details on maximum output and wiring configuration. Well, there's your wiring configuration, and there's your maximum outputs. So these instructions make no sense to me. Well, these last two sentences anyway. So if anyone out there has any idea what the hell they're going on about, please let me know in the comments, because I'm confused at this point. Anyway, I'm going to leave this video here because it's kind of causing my brain to be sad. So if you enjoyed this video, please go down below, like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, this is the Astro 30 saying see ya. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Amp it up, let the music flow. Elle's got the magic, come and see the show. We just laugh, that's fine.